If you haven't watched this video yet, you're definitely missing out. Make sure you watch it to the end and thank me later.
This is the easiest melt in your mouth cookie recipe you'll ever find. It turned out so delicious, and I hope you try this amazing recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I added in a pinch of salt, followed by powdered sugar, vanilla extract. You can use any flavor of your choice, and then added in melted butter, softened butter, not melted butter, and then sunflower oil. I stirred till well combined, and then I added in egg. I'll leave the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once everything has come together, go ahead and sieve in flour and baking powder. But the flour, I didn't add it to it all at once, bit at a time until I've added in all. So once you've added in the first batch, go ahead and mix till well combined, and then add in the rest of the flour. Trust me, this amazing recipe was very easy to make, and my son was all over it. It turned out delicious. Try it and let me know how it turned out. Please do try. So I added in the last batch of the flour, and then I went in with my hands and then work on it. Make sure everything has come together. I then divided it into 2 equal parts. Transfer 1 part on my wet surface, and then I added in cocoa powder. So this was around 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Make sure you sieve in your cocoa powder. You do not want any lumps in the dough, so please sieve in your cocoa powder. Work on it until everything has come together, and that's the consistency you're looking for. It should be something like this when done. Transfer it on a clean film, wrap it, and then keep it aside. Now on your work surface, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of flour on your work surface. If the dough is too sticky, just add in about a tablespoon or a teaspoon of flour and you're good to go. And this is the consistency you're looking for. The consistency, please make sure it should be the same consistency. So if you add in 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, make sure you add in 2 tablespoons of extra flour to the one that you didn't add in the cocoa powder. When done, sprinkle small, just a little bit of flour on your work surface. Transfer the dough on it, line or cover it with parchment paper and roll it out. When done, roll it. The thickness should be around 5 to 6 millimeters, and then join the cocoa one beside, roll it again, and then cut off any excess dough. All you have to do is to go in with a fork and then do long stripes as seen in the video. Please, if you don't understand anything, just go back or follow the video carefully, and trust me, you get it. So all you have to do is to go in with a cookie cutter and then cut this thing. You can use any design, you can make any design of your choice. When done, use a spatula under the cookie and then under the dough, and then raise it. It's very easy. Just look at it. Bake this bad boy at 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. And all you have to do is to go in with the chocolate spread and then join 2 together. That's very simple. This is totally optional as well. Look at this, guys. This is very easy to make, and it turned out so delicious. Wow, look at this. Having this with your breakfast or just as a snack, you're going to love it. This is not just beautiful, it is delicious, and I hope you try it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment.
If you're going to try out this recipe, let us know in the comment section.